Being stylish is so much more than just how you look. It's about expressing who you are to the world. Today, I'm going to share tips that will elevate your style and transform the way you present yourself. Ready? Step 1. The first step to mastering style is building a solid foundation. Invest in essential pieces like a crisp white shirt, black trousers, and a classic blazer. These versatile items are timeless and work for almost any occasion. Keep it simple. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Step 2. Accessories are the small touches that make a big difference. A well-chosen watch, belt, or pair of shoes can elevate your outfit instantly. Choose pieces that complement your look without overwhelming it. Remember, less is often more when it comes to accessories. Step 3. Know your body type and dress accordingly. There's no one-size-fits-all style. Find what works for your body and wear clothes that make you feel confident and look your best. Step 4. Cleanliness and organization. No matter how stylish your clothes are, they need to be clean and well-maintained. Iron your clothes, take care of your shoes, and always keep up with personal hygiene. Step 5. Colors can make or break your outfit. Stick to neutral tones for versatility and add pops of color to express your personality. Learn the basics of color coordination, like pairing warm and cool tones, and you'll create looks that feel polished and balanced. Step 6. No outfit is complete without confidence. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and own your style. When you feel good about what you're wearing, it shows, and others will take notice. Confidence is the ultimate accessory that never goes out of style. Step 7. Use a good perfume. Perfume can be the final touch that completes your style. Choose a perfume that makes you feel fresh, attractive, and confident. Perfume is an important way to express your personal style. Each perfume has its own character, and the right perfume is like a signature that reflects you. Step 8. Store your clothes. Well, how you store your clothes reflects your style. Fold your clothes neatly, hang them on hangers, and don't let them get messy. An organized closet not only protects your clothes, but also helps you to always quickly put together a stylish outfit. A clean and organized closet reflects your elegance. Step 9. Create your own style. Following fashion trends can be important, but the most important thing when creating your style is to find your own style. Instead of dressing the way others dress, develop your own unique style. Your own style reflects your personality and adds a unique flair. Fashion may be temporary, but style is permanent. Choose clothes that make you feel good and reflect you best. Step 10. Update your outfits regularly. Review your wardrobe at the beginning of each season. Fashion changes, and keeping up with these changes keeps your style fresh. Get rid of clothes you haven't worn in years and always have an updated and fresh wardrobe. Keeping your wardrobe up to date ensures that you always look stylish and modern. Our video ends here. You've learned how to own your style, but wait, it's not over yet. Now, we're moving on to the next step that will take your style to the next level. Stay tuned, because in the next video, we'll discover the most popular hairstyles of 2025 and perfect your look. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, don't forget to leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments below, and see you soon.